Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add credit cards as your payment methods on Shopify. So first up, we're going to open your browser and search for your Shopify store. And basically, you should have to log in your account. Now here on your dashboard, we're going to click on the settings at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. So right here, as you can see on my arrow. So click on this one. Now it will show you these options here. So we're going to select payments. It's right there. So we're going to click on payments. And at the top of these options, you will find payment providers. So you can add some payment providers so you can enable to accept payment methods. Or we can simply add a payment method here. So we're going to find supported payment methods that we can use to your Shopify. So to do that, we're going to use the search box right here. So click on this one, and then you will find all the payment methods that you can use. Basically, you will find all the available credit cards that you can use here. And also, if you're going to scroll down, you can also add some other options like the Family Mart, like the Pay Easy Hypercard right from here. So you can use those options. And also we have Grab Pay. We have the Maybank if you want some bank accounts. And we have also Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoins, or Bitcoin Cash. So you can choose cryptocurrency. So depending on your preference here. So in this example, I just want to choose credit cards. So I'm going to select Visa and MasterCard. So click on the Visa and also the MasterCard credit card. Now on the next page, you want to select here the provider. So you can see we have Ocean Payment. We have like Ping Pong Checkout, iPay88. So here in this sample, I just want to select the first one, which is Ocean Payment. So click on this one. And once you click on this provider, you should complete all your details, especially your information to use this payment method. And if you're not using this yet, you can just install this to your Shopify, add some plugins to basically add this as your payment method. So that's how simple it is. You can just search right here any of the credit cards that is available to add in your Shopify. So that's it. That's how you basically add credit cards as your payment methods on Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.